Okay, here's a little quickie. This is a relay with the LED on it so you can tell what its state is. If the LED's off, the engine's magneto is grounded. No power. What I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the receiver. And then, right now the transmitter's on. Third channel's off. Third channel's on. If you ever lose transmitter power, it kicks off the engine. Turn the transmitter back on. Enable the engine. As long as the red light's on, you can crank it up. Turn it off just like that. If the receiver loses power, the relay loses power. It all shuts off. Simple as that. That's my little chip.